They felt it was very aggressive.
We're really trying to bring cancer care closer to patients in their communities.
My PSA levels changed quite a bit in a matter of a year. They felt like they caught it early, but it was very aggressive. It was a 8 on their scale. That was tough.
One way to treat higher risk prostate cancer is to do a combination of internal and external treatments.
Doctor told me, you're going to be getting the radiational rods all around your prostate. Then after that, I'll be doing beam radiation, and I was able to do my beam radiation for 6 weeks here in Alton, which was great.
Have a quick commute here for treatments as opposed to going back and forth for 5 weeks downtown, I think is really a benefit for him.
Siteman over the years has grown tremendously, and our partnership with BJC has been instrumental in outreach and education and screening programs and prevention programs that are actually going to impact large groups of patients and potential patients.
The opportunity really to partner with Siteman Cancer Center brings great additional services to the community.
A large proportion of patients will be able to get care closer to home.
By expanding our footprint closer to where the patient lives, it's more convenient for them, it's a shorter commute.
I didn't want to drive to St. Louis every day. It's so much easier to just drive to Alton.
Being able to have that location like that, be right here in town where I live, 10 minutes away from my house, I'm very grateful for that.
There is already excellent direct care being provided in the Alton community. But what isn't there in as robust a fashion is the outreach, the screening, the education to prevent people from getting cancer.
Siteman Cancer Center brings preventative type services around cancer care, the genomic testing, personalized medicine, or radiation therapy.
They will have access to the clinical trials that Siteman Cancer Center is famous for developing these new innovations in diagnosis and treatment.
I really feel lucky that I've had the care that I've had, and the doctors and the nurses and the technicians, they all just seem to work together so well.
The Siteman affiliation with Alton is tremendous. It really is the opportunity to take a already terrific team, surround it with NCI best practice, and lift the health of the community.
To have that at our fingertips, to reach out to the folks downtown, work pretty closely with them is a tremendous benefit to the folks here in the Alton area.
Right now, after my first checkup, everything looked very good. They were very pleased with what they saw numbers-wise.
Orlean, she's gone through treatment really well, and she has a pretty good prognosis from that standpoint. I'm hopeful that everything will work out well for her.
We all need to have a collective call to action to beat a disease that is obviously incredibly impactful.
We are here to serve our community in total, and we want to provide the very best experience that both our patients and families can have.
That gives a peace of mind to loved ones who, of course, want to make absolutely sure that they are doing everything imaginable to do right by their loved one.